Monday, April 25th. The channel's playlists are crowded with movie reviews and podcasts. Even with the rain, hidden in the chaos is the element, waiting to strike like snakes. And I'm there too. Editing. 2 years of nights have turned me into a nocturnal animal. I must choose my topics carefully. It's a big website. I can't be everywhere. But they don't know where I am. We have a signal now, for when I'm needed. When that light hits the sky, it's not just a call. It's a warning.
I'm Itsmintsalad, and this is how to draw a Batman logo. I'm doing this tutorial digitally, but feel free to follow along with pencil and paper. Draw a tall vertical rectangle in the middle of the canvas. Add a perpendicular line the same length as the rectangle underneath the rectangle. Extend the top corners of the rectangle by adding a short vertical line. Starting from the vertex of the rectangle corner and vertical line, draw a large U that stops at an angle above the vertical line. Repeat for the other side. Jump to the bottom line and draw a shallow curved line connecting the lowest point to one of the bottom rectangle corners. Continue the line by drawing an upside down U that ends at the same point as halfway down the middle line. And from that new point, draw a larger C that ends at the same level as the bottom of the middle line. Repeat for the other side. Finish the logo by drawing a large C that connects the top and bottom lines together. Repeat for the other side. Fill in the logo with black and use your eraser tool to erase any messy edges and points to clean up this logo. Optionally, draw a yellow oval/circle around the logo so there's yellow bordering and occupying the negative space. And that's it, how to draw a simple Batman logo. If you have any suggestions on what to draw next, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time on Itsmintsalad Draws.